a little more than the size of a hand. Let's light it.
Is it fuse on top?
Yeah, so you pull the tape
Oh, pull
or
this
pull it out, yeah.
Yeah.
It's the baby one. Three, two, one, and zip planes. Turn it to the back. I don't remember the price. We'll find out on the receipt, but apparently they're supposed to fly and emit sparks. So let's see. Oh no! Gosh! Wow! Wow! You wanna do it again? Yeah, so I'm gonna stand all the way back here this time. Noisy Boys for a pack of 6. I think you might need to cover your ears for this one. Let's see. They're gonna try to light them at the same time since they catch fire quick. This is called, it's called a whistling Pete. So I guess make a whistling noise. It's 59 cents each, about $5 for a whole box. Yeah, we'll set it on the ground and we're gonna light this fuse at the top. We're gonna start with the train whistle. It's going to be very loud. You might want to turn your volume down. So I have a strobe tube. Not sure what that is. And then we have 2 other brands of these. It's called night parachuters. So it's going to shoot flaming balls.
Like a little person with a parachute.
And yes, it does have a little person with a parachute in it. Reminds me of like those military men. We'll do the fly second. Uh-oh. Oh, that's pretty. That looks pretty. It looks like mini fireworks. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it is. It's hard to see because it's so dark. Oh, ooh, you okay?
That's really what I'm trying to follow from.
Wait. Yeah, Jack, go check on it. That was shocking. Oh yeah, I'm fine. Dad, you want to make sure it's lit?
Get the other one ready. Let's
Wait. I just want to make sure with these. Because it was supposed to spin at the bottom.
Because it might burn on you.
This is the Paris. Price to be inserted soon. and it's supposed to emit showers. This is the biggest one we got. Oh no, you just can open this. Let's see. Oh, this says soak with water after use. And it has a fused cover. Wow, fancy.
He's ready for the grand finale.
This is it. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that was fun.